All right, here we go. Top tips, nuggets of advice, parting words of wisdom. Rick Nickerson, bottoms up.
Well, we're the floor removal experts in the Tampa Bay area and surrounding areas. We've got a division in the Fort Myers area, Sarasota, Bradenton as well, and we're soon to expand to the northern region. That new Tampa area is blowing up, and we want to get up in that area very soon. But, you know, if you've got a project, if you've got a removal, glue down wood, ceramic tile, glue down carpet, VCT. If it's a tough job, we can do it. We've got the machinery, equipment, expertise. Look us up at www.bottomsup.com. We're here for you. There's no project too big, no project too small. And we're the ones that are going to create that first impression. And we talked about it today. That first impression is huge. We want to be your guys. We want to take care of all your needs when it comes to floor removal. And our guys are going to create that first impression, which will let you know how important your project is to us and our team throughout the process.
Good stuff. I like that. Check them out online.